What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel once again. XOXO Sheba here. If you're new, hello and welcome, and if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? So in this video today I am reviewing What Lace Janelle from Sensational. A little bit of a glare there we go. So What Lace Janelle is another straight unit. It kind of looks like Chiari, but I'm thinking it's probably a little longer than Chiari. That might be the difference here. So the Janelle I have is in 1B. And let's see here, it's got the customized lace. You already know it's a What Lace unit, so you know it's pre-plucked and all of that. It also is the kind of cap where you put your hands all through it and all of that. So you can scratch your scalp if you need to. You know, you don't have to feel like you got a hat on your head. You can still get up in there. Here's the cap construction. It's your typical What Lace cap construction, I would say. You got your two combs on the sides, in the back, and your adjustable straps. It looks like it's a light brown lace, so we'll see if it's actually going to be dark enough for my skin or if I'm going to have to tan that a little bit. Tan, you know what I'm trying to say. It does not have back lace, so you know, no high ponytails for this one. And it does have baby hair on it, kind of like pushed to the front, very light, very wispy, so that should be easy to use if you want to use it, because you know, the way that the lace is set up, you don't necessarily have to. I need to switch my cap to black because I don't feel like doing no bald caps today. So out the gate, yeah, this lace is perfect on my skin tone. So that's great. I don't have to darken or tint the lace or anything. Trying to situate it right in place here. I do see that my hairline is going to come a bit too far on the sides for this unit, on both sides. That happens to me sometimes. I got a little bit of a low hairline right in there. So first thing I'm gonna do is just take care of that. I would use some edge control, but I don't have any edge control right now, so got to be it is. And I'm not gonna blend it because this hair is straight and my edges are not straightened, so I'm just gonna use that to slick the hair. Other than the size, this wig is actually fitting very well on my head. I'm not having any issues as far as like it being too tight, too snug, sliding back or anything, and I'm not using the combs at all, besides the back comb just because it's there. So it really does fit my head like perfectly, almost. If the size just came a little longer, but I ain't gonna hold that against them because that's most wigs for me. So I'm going to go ahead and style this unit right quick, and then I'll come back and give you guys the rest of my thoughts.
I've been doing my own thing. Love is always had a way of having that timing. But to my great surprise, ever since I looked in your eyes, I had one question for you. Tell me if you want me to give you my time. Wanna make it good for you, 'cause you're on my mind. I promise, boy, that I'll be true. You're the perfect one, so tell me if you want me to. Yeah, if you thought I'd take on this, boy, you're wrong, 'cause all I dream about is our first kiss. And you're the first one to make me feel like this. And this is one opportunity that I can't miss. No, boy, you wanna know the deal. You are wondering if the words I'm saying are for real. 'Cause you got more appeal than any man in this whole world. And baby, I got to know how you feel. Yeah. Tell me if you want me to give you my time. I wanna make it good for you, 'cause you're mine. I promise you that I'll be true. You're the perfect one, so tell me if you want me to.
Okay guys, so I'm done styling this unit. My arms are on fire. Well, I don't know why. I don't know what made me think, you know, let me do this on my head instead of on the mannequin head. It's so much easier when you do it on a mannequin head first and then put the wig on. But nah, I had to be dumb. But anyways, moving forward with the video. This wig is super cute. It does remind me of Chiari. I don't see much of a difference between Janelle and Chiari, to be quite honest. This one might be just a tad bit longer, but not even by much. Shout out to my girl Beauty with Cat. I did, you know, take this style from her. I saw her post it on Instagram and I was like, that's cute. And I remembered that and I wanted to do it when this wig came in. It was a different wig though, I think, or it might have been this wig. I don't know, but I definitely saw her post this style and I was like, I want to do that. That's super cute. As far as tangling, you will get some tangling with this unit. It's not bad, especially for me manipulating it, you know, putting this half up, half down and all of that. It wasn't too bad, but it does tangle a little bit. I haven't had really any issues with the shedding. Even when I combed this out after trying to get out the tangles and stuff from me styling it, I still didn't get like shedding coming out or anything. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees, but you know, I didn't need heat for this unit, so we didn't have to test that out. So I do like that you can style this without having to put the wand to it to like put it into place. Now I think if I'd have parted it and did like a side part or middle part, I probably would have had to just put a little bit of heat on it to get it to lay flat, since it's not trained to lay any certain way. The wig comes about roughly 20 inches or so. It's not super duper long. The very ends of it come out to about here, but you know, that's not much. This is really low maintenance for the fact that it is a lace frontal synthetic wig. Those tend to get a little high maintenance on you as far as putting it on versus your regular like lace part units. But this one, I would say, is definitely very easy to use. If you're looking for a first time wig but you want something very natural looking, this would be a good one for you to pick up because it's very easy to put on and learn. And normally this is the spot where I would put the comment winner. However, I am recording this video and I have not uploaded the next video yet. You know how I do the last video, you get a shout out in the next video, but since that video ain't out yet for you to comment, I'm gonna just say right here, once I pick a winner in the next video, you will be displayed. So shout out to you, comment winner. Thank you for rocking with me, subscribing, commenting, all of your support. Thank you to everyone who supports me. I appreciate it so much. You don't even know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You want to pick up this unit, of course, it'll be down in the description box. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.